This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Shelley Lee. Do not miss this well-maintained updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an open floor plan and real hardwood floors. The kitchen has granite counters, bar seating with pendant lighting, stainless steel appliances, lovely dark wood cabinets, recessed lights, and tile floors. The primary bedroom ensuite includes a large walk-in closet. It is in a quiet neighborhood with a large fenced-in backyard and a detached garage workshop. New water heater, roof less than 4 years old, just encapsulated crawl with dehumidifier and vapor barrier, windows less than 10 years old, and more. Professional photos coming soon. For more information, review the details below.